Hey, Savvy Bookkeepers, it's Trudy with Maven. Have you ever said, I need someone to tell me what to do, or I wish I had a sounding board to figure this out? Then you're talking about coaching and consulting. But you might be using the terms interchangeably, and they're not really the exact same thing. So today we're going to break down what they really are and how together they can build business magic. Let's start with consulting, the world of how to's, systems, templates, and let me fix this for you. I'm going to tell you about Tanya. Tanya came to Maven drowning in scope creep, undercharging, and skipping invoices. She didn't need theory, she needed structure. So I stepped in as a consultant. We audited her workflow, rebuilt her service tiers, set the pricing rules, automated her billing, and boom, within 30 days, she had magic again. Consulting is about strategy and systems. It's me handing you tools and saying, let's build it right. Now let's talk about coaching, the deeper work. That's not, here's the answer. It's, let's uncover your answers. Meet Lina. Technically, she was doing great. Her numbers were up and her workflow was efficient. But she'd hit a wall, second guessing every move and stuck in analysis paralysis. She didn't need a new app. She needed a mirror, someone to help her hear her own voice again. As her coach, I asked these different questions. What does success actually look like for you now? Why are you afraid to say no to that client? And what belief are you still carrying that doesn't serve you? Coaching didn't give her a checklist, it gave her clarity and confidence. Now, here's the dose of reality that we actually didn't want, which is neither one alone might really be enough. You can build a system, but if your mindset isn't aligned, you'll self-sabotage. And you can journal through all your feelings, but if you're still using a spreadsheet from 2009, you are not scaling. So this is where the magic happens. When you combine the clarity of coaching with the power of consulting, you don't just do the work better. You become the kind of person that leads better. And that's what Maven is built for. You get tools and insight, strategy and self-trust. No fluff, no guesswork, no go figure it out. So this week's assignment, ask yourself, where am I stuck waiting for answers I already know? That's coaching. And where am I overwhelmed because I don't have a system? That's consulting. If you're stuck in both, good news. That's actually where your growth lives, and Maven's got you. So what bookkeeper is in your life that's trying to build her business on grit and duct tape? Make sure she gets a copy of this video. Hey, you want to do another quick episode? Up next, meet Charlie Munger. Now, you may be thinking, who the hell is Charlie Munger? Well, let's go find out.